All right, we're here with Frank and his wife Jan. Drove down to Danchuk today. Got their 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Absolutely gorgeous car. And Frank's going to tell us a little about the car, what's under the hood, open the hood up for us, and give us a tour here.
There it is.
Oh, beautiful. So tell us a little about it.
Well, all of this was done by Aaron, Orange County Hot Rod. He has a new place over in Corona. He did all the electrical, all stainless steel, bent these, high lift intake manifold, override shocks, air conditioner, of course. Shaved off the firewall, put things in the trunk like a lot of people. It's taken about 5.5 years. CPPs, power steering, they tell me it's the best. It drives really nice. I have a 700R in it. This is a 350. It's been upgraded a little bit. It's probably running about 380. Very happy with it. Like I said, 5.5 years. Took the body off. When I bought the car, there was, I thought, some rust on that door panel. And so that's why I took it into the shop just to get that fixed. And 5.5 years later, taking the body off, putting everything back, and it just, I'm very happy with it. My wife's happy. Likes to sit next to me with the bench seat. That's nice. Everything I wanted to look on the outside was all stock except for the wheels. But on the inside, so you can drive it on the freeway, 70 or 75. I have that 700R fan in there with this 350, and it drives down the freeway probably 2,000 RPMs. Nice. Westminster did the all leather Italian leather upholstery. When I was growing up, going to high school, 1954, my dad worked as a Chevrolet Oldsmobile garage. He was an auto mechanic, and I was the cleanup boy. Come in there an hour before school, an hour after. And my job was to take the cars after they come off the truck. This was up near Eureka, a little town called Fortuna. Get them all cleaned up, ready for the showroom, undercoat them and stuff. And this is the car I always wanted. It was about $2,000, but that was way over my head. So after I retired, I started looking for a couple of years, and I found this. And, it's got all power windows, power seats. I don't know.
Well, Frank, thank you for sharing. Thank you for bringing it by.
I'm going to take a lot right here at Danchuk. Everything on it. So the electrical system and everything.
Well, again, thank you for bringing it by. We love to see our customers' cars, and this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous automobile. Love your Continental kit in the back. You said you're driving up the coast, right?
Yeah, I have some friends, and my daughter and her family lives in San Jose, and I have some friends up there that are in a car club, T-Bird Club, and they're always giving me a hard time because I have the shit. They say they don't believe it. You got to drive it up. So I said I'm going to surprise them. I'm going to drop in on them.
Hopefully they're not watching Facebook right now because you won't surprise them. But well, thank you for stopping by Danchuk today.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Frank.
Thank you.
I'm going to go back in. Did you want to just...
I want to try and